All right, friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the COMICA BooMax 2.4G onboard recording wireless microphone. So, yeah, I think my first real microphone that I used on my PC was a COMICA, and then I had a couple other ones. It's been, got this box here. Been pretty happy with them. The first one, my cat kind of chewed through the cord, and that was kind of a bummer. But yeah, I've been using COMICA off and on for quite a few years now. So it's pretty sweet. It's like a little soft case there. That's nice. Got our little instructions there as well. All right, let's check this thing out. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Nice little a strap that goes over there. All these little individual baggies here for the thing. I'll pop those out real quick. I'll be running a sound test on here as well. My goodness, these little bags are always so hard to open. This shouldn't be that difficult. Okay, there's our little our wind breaker cover there. All right, what else we got in this one? Probably another one. All right, so I have a nice little thing that's pretty small, compact. Check out the other side here. I like this little case. Man, these bags just really shouldn't be that tough, honestly. All right, so we got a USB-C to USB-A cord there, and looks like we got some audio cables here too. So this can be used with your iPhone, your computer, your Nikon camera, whatever you got. So it's pretty sweet. All right, let's check it out here. I like the case. That's pretty cool. Pretty nice. Get that stuff out of the way here, shall we? We got a USB charging port in the back. This looks pretty sleek, actually. Oh, that is, we got our battery indicator right there on the front. And so here we go. Boom. Nice looking little guy there. Got both our microphones. Those are pretty heavy duty. So good sized. And here is our little base station. Looks like a little mini camera by itself here. It's supposed to have a touch screen on here. I wonder. Maybe that's the touch screen on top. This might not be charged up yet. All right, so these all, make sure when you're gonna charge these, you gotta take these, they have these little little plastic things guarding the charging ports there on there. So you wanna take those off. I'm gonna give this a charge up, kind of go over it, do a little setup here. And then we'll do testing the audio and see if I'm liking this one better than the one I currently have. Always looking to upgrade if possible. It's hard to go wrong with COMICA. So this has an onboard, saves your audio too on there, which is kind of crazy. This thing might be a little bit beyond my technical aspects as far as just what they can do. You ever get a camera or something and it just does way more than you could ever possibly need it to do? So it's got a manual 300 pages or something crazy, and you're like, I just want to take pictures. So it might be the case with this if you are into a super sophisticated item. It could probably handle a bunch of different things that I don't even know about, but also if you just want to use it just hey, I just want a nice microphone that has good sound and you don't need to know about all the bells and whistles. You're going to charge that up. Oh, cool. That just came on there. It shows our battery indicator, everything. And it looks like it's about ready to go. 8 hours. Oh, it even tells the battery life on there. That's sweet. So I wonder if I switch them to the other side, if that's gonna, oh, cool. So it tells you even which one, like this one's this one, that battery life. So I'll set this up, probably just plug and play on my PC, and we'll test out the sound here, shall we? All right, that's pretty sick. So right on the front has like an indicator on your microphone. Like, so that the blue light is gonna be no noise reduction. So right on our little interface here, it has the microphone there for you can turn it on and off, and it has our battery, our recording, and then it has that one for like the noise reduction. So right now it's no. I click low, and you can notice that the light turns to green there, so you know that it has the noise canceling going. And we switch it to high noise canceling, and then so I click the microphone. If I click that off, it's going to switch this to red, so you know your microphone is off. And then yeah, it's just really sweet, nice and responsive there too. All right, now that I got my audio kind of set up the way I want it, I'm going to turn on my vacuum cleaner again and do that. And now it's no noise canceling right now. Just tap the screen there, should have, oops, no wonder I got on that. There's low noise canceling right now. And then switched it over to high noise canceling. So yeah, now that I've kind of messed with the settings, we're gonna see how that sounds. So I noticed, like when I connected this to my PC, the volume was really low, even though I cranked it all the way up on this. And it might just be something with the OBS or like the different sound settings. There's a lot of them on there. Okay, friends, well, just messing with this a little bit more, and listening to it back to it, the sound quality is definitely really good. I like it a lot. It's easy. The plug and play was automatic. The volume was a little low for some reason on my OBS. I almost had to crank up the gain to like 200% or something. So I'm not sure why it was low. I have to mess the audio settings on my OBS. I might check this out on my phone too, just real quick, and see how that is. I know when I plug in my phone with my other microphone, it's a lot louder than OBS on. Even with my other microphone, I had to turn the volume on it on their little the receiver like all the way up. So I have the gain up here and the other one decibel noise on this pretty much cranked up. Volume was about the only little issue there. Not really a big issue as far as like you can always adjust that, but like the clarity is really good. The noise canceling, I mean, I ran the microphone, I ran the vacuum cleaner in the background, and that was not a problem. So yeah, it seemed to do a really good job at like kind of just reducing that noise, but pretty sweet. I mean, took a little bit of figuring out on the screen swipe up and down. Like if you're on it, swipe left, it's going to give you your number 1 transmitter, and then you go swipe back and you swipe to the right, it goes to number 2 transmitter. So yeah, so this attaches to your shirt with the clip, or you can use a magnet. It has a super small but really strong magnet that goes on the back, so I could put it anywhere on my shirt there. If you guys are looking for a nice microphone, this COMICA one is pretty sweet.